2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as Wi-Fi hotspot, 4-wheel drive, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, air conditioning. This is a top-rated dealer. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.